She crying joys of tears. Right, baby? You love your daddy, right? R.I.P. Jerell. R.I.P. Birdman.
Sean Mack, Shamir.
Shout out to Ed Brian .o. Shout out to Ed Tweet _off _YZ.
Sean Mack, Shamir.
Name is that, dude. I see you though, baby.
Fat shout J Scope. Dre P, turn that bass up, man.
Hey.
Let's get busy.
Mack.
Big enough swag so strong.
Hey.
Been getting money, man, it's cash so long. This world ain't big enough swag so strong.
Hey.
Been getting money, man, it's cash so long. I'ma keep on grinding, I'ma keep on getting it. Let them rappers do the rapping, let us street niggas live it. I'ma keep on grinding, I'ma keep on getting it. Let them rappers do the rapping, let us street niggas live it.
I know you see swag, you probably wanna be that. Just put yourself together, let these models give you feedback. Extra, read all about it. The dub niggas get money, you other niggas clowning. Yeah, red nose and all. You playing reindeer games, I'm playing Santa Claus. Cause when I come down your chimney on Christmas Eve, it's to park these bullets next to you niggas' dreams. Heaven to hell, first class, take a seat. I always felt the best way to die was in your sleep. Niggas waking up to the pearly gates. My niggas personal trainers, they knocking off the weight with different exercises to get you through your day. Like post up, answer phones, drink your pain away. The pain will never lead a lick temporary. Look at my safe, it's like a big ass cemetery.
This world ain't big enough swag so strong. We been getting money, man, it's cash so long. This world ain't big enough swag so strong. We been getting money, man, it's cash so long. I'ma keep on grinding, I'ma keep on getting it. Let them rappers do the rapping, let us street niggas live it. I'ma keep on grinding, I'ma keep on getting it. Let them rappers do the rapping.
Shout out to me. They call me Remy P, the showstopper, the bottle popper. Bow down and kiss the ring, I'm like your Faja. Cocaine, white whip, 40 snugged in my tight grip. This dope game, I vice gripped, I'm lava. Hot like lava, dope game survivor. Got my intuition and my drive from my mama. Now I'm a problem, a boss. Bitch, legally I talk shit cause I done paid the cost to be a boss, bitch. Street nigga, I done paid dues. And shout out to the niggas that was popping out they old news. You hear me? Pay homage or meet the Simmon. And check back in my city, the gangsters be rocking with me. I'm filthy, rich, get off my dick, bitch, and stop pulling on my clothes, cause I ain't buying you bitches shit. Lick something, twerk something, drop it like it's hot, and you bitches ain't fooling me. My swag and pussy alone.